What's happening, guys? Chris, VA Travels. I'm mixing things up today. I'm about to check out the Bealton Flying Circus Air Show. Yeah, out here in Bealton, Virginia. It's in Fauquier County, kind of the Piedmont area. And yeah, I thought I'd mix things up. The lady at the gate when I checked in told me these were World War II planes. I'm not an airplane expert, but they look like World War I planes to me. A bunch of biplanes. And yeah, the Flying Circus, for those that aren't familiar, it was a name given to the Daredevil pilots during World War I, the Red Baron and whatnot. Flying their colorful planes. To tell you, the tickets are $20, and this place is open every Sunday from the spring until the fall. Show starts at 2:30 p.m.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the famous Flying Circus here in Bealton, Virginia. Are you ready for a great air show?
Yeah!
Thanks for coming out. I know it's a little warm, but this is actually one balloon attack from the ground crew there. But wait a minute, we may have retaliation. Let's see if we have retaliation. Very soon we may. Oops. All right, they got it. And Rick Kahn down here, the retired American Airlines pilot, Rick Kahn. Axes of flight in the air, you roll it, climb it, and dive it. But on the ground, you have to steer it with your feet. Each foot is on a rudder pedal, which controls the tail wheel. Once you've heard that sound, you won't mistake it for any four-cylinder, horizontally opposed engines. And down goes the bomb, and down goes the outhouse, and she gets out of there in a hurry. Let's see what he does for us. United States Army Air Corps. Beautiful. And jockeying the throttle, pretending a Waldo Pepper crash, but it's not going to be a crash. The wings. It's flying back and forth, keeps heading for those trees. Line it up on the runway and just pull the throttle back and, oh, it's in your left. Oh my, he's below grade. He's up again. Moving around. The ground crew out there running for their lives. Well, he's keeping it close to the ground. That's a good thing. That'll minimize the crash. Well, by now you know you've been snookered. That's R.J. Gritter, ladies and gentlemen, the finest comedy club routine anywhere. And we've had some really heavy wing walkers out here. I remember Kevin Peppelman was a real large guy, and we were flying him with just a standard steerman. The sound of that engine, that propeller bouncing off the hardwood trees out there. He's as smooth as it gets. That's how she does it. High five to the pilot. All right, Madison Parsons, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, that's it for the flying circus. Pretty cool. It's going to be kind of a short video. I'm going to put up a montage of some of the stunts. The highlight was the Daredevil comedian guy, the guy in the yellow plane. I thought that was the coolest, and also very impressive, the girl on top of the plane. But also tell you, this is the longest continually running air show in the world. He said it's been going on since 1971. Pretty cool. Anyway, getting out of here, as always, like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and support me on Patreon. See ya.